Here's how to delete a YouTube channel permanently on your phone. Now, I have the YouTube app open on my iPhone. You can do the same steps on an Android as well. Now, the first thing we need to do is tap on You at the bottom right and make sure you're connected to the correct channel. Of course, you don't want to delete the wrong channel. So you can always tap on Switch Account here and choose the correct channel that you actually want to delete. After you're good to go and you have that channel, let's tap on Google Account here and then Data and Privacy. Now within your data and privacy, you'll be given the opportunity to delete the entire Google account. If you wanted to delete Gmail, your Google account, Google Calendar, Google Drive, but you can also choose to just delete the YouTube channel itself. To be able to do that, let's scroll down until we get to delete a Google service. And from here, you'll be able to see, I can use my passkey here just to verify, and I'll show you what it looks like. It will show you all of your Google services, in this case, YouTube, 0 videos. So let's tap the trash can icon. Now from here, it'll say, do you want to permanently delete all of your content and your channel? Sometimes it'll give you the option to either just permanently delete it or hide it if you wanted to basically hide the channel so that no one else can see it, but you still have that channel. If you're good to go, just tap on I agree, etc., and hit delete my content at the very bottom.